Myself Neela Saraswati, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, JJ College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to discuss about Introduction to Python concept under the subject of Python programming. Nowadays, Python programming is a trending program. In a computer language, Python is a high-level programming language. So only I chose this topic. Content. I am planning to discuss about this concept today's section. Introduction to Python, next Python IDLE, next input and output statement, fourth one is data types, and fifth one is variable, and another one is formatting output and commands. Next, evaluation of Python. Python is developed by Guido Rosum in 1990s early. So the Guido Rosum is a fan of Monty Python Circus. So only the Python is later renamed as Monty Python. Features derived from many languages like C, CPP, Java and other scripting languages. Python is a free and open source software. Now Python 3.11.1 is the latest version of Python. Next, Python features. Python is a high-level, interpreted, interactive and object-oriented programming language. Python features. Beginners language. Python is easy to learn, so this one is referred as beginners language. Extensive standard library. Python support a rich set of libraries. Interactive mode. Python support interactive mode as well as scripting mode. Portable, easy to movable language like Java. Extensible. Suppose we want to extend some features, means it is possible in Python. Database and GUI programming. Graphical user interface programming. Next, Python installation. How to install Python means with the help of the website we can download the Python programming. Interactive interpreter. This screen represents the interactive interpreter. The triple greater than symbol representing the prompt is represented as a interactive interpreter. Suppose we want to print any message, means this after the triple greater than symbol you type. Python IDLE script editor. So what is mean by IDLE means integrated development learning environment. So this picture express the script editor. So suppose we want to develop a program more than one lines, means at the time we must use this concept Python IDLE script editor. Single line means ordinary interactive mode is best. More than one line containing program means at the time we must open the file from the script editor, then only print and save .py is a file name. Print welcome to puff means output of this program is, so this print puff. The output statement in Python. The print function in Python is used to print a specified message on the screen. Like C, CPP. In the case of C language, printf is used as output statement. In the case of C++ language, cout is output statement. In Java, system.out.println is one of the output statement. Like print function is used as a output statement in Python. The message can be string or any other object. The object will be converted into string before written on the string. The syntax of the output statement is print within bracket objects separator like other concept. Example, print within double quotes Python other than object all arguments are optional. If you want means at the time you use, otherwise omit the all the concept except objects. Examples of Python program. Print hello means the hello is printed on the screen. Print 1 means 1 is print on the screen. Print A means A is print on the screen. Print 3.124 means 3.24 is print on the screen. So first is string, next one is integer, another one is a character, third one is a floating point number. Print A comma B means A and B value is printed on the screen. Print 10 hello 3.14 comma true means all the values are printed on the screen. 10 hello 3.14 true. All the values are separated by commas. Print 10 comma 11 means print 10 hello means all are the printed in the screen. Print statement using sub. The separator between the argument to print function in Python is space by default, that is the soft space feature, which can be modified and can be made to any character, integer or string as per our choice. The sub parameter is used to achieve the same. Print statement using sub. Separator between the argument to print function in Python is space by default. So which can be modified, can be made to any character, integer or string as per our choice. The sub parameter used to achieve the same. The example, print 1 comma 2 comma 3 means simply print 1 comma 1 space 2 space 3. Next one is print 1 comma 2 comma 3 sub equal to within quotes comma. So at the time in the screen we get the output 1 comma 2 comma 3. The first output is 1 space 2 space 3. The second output is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Print statement using end. The end parameter in the print function is used to add any string at the end of the output of the print statement in Python. By default, the print function ends with a new line. In the case of CPP language, at the time we must use println concept. In Python, just print is a new line character. Passing the white space to end parameter indicate that the end character has to be identified by white space and not a new line. This example shows print 1 comma 2 comma 3, next print A comma B. So output of this two line is 1 2 3 and A and B. So next one is the end concept is used here, 1 comma 2 comma 3 end within space. So at the time we get output 1 2 3, again space is included A comma B. So what is the difference between the 1 and 2 line and next program is 1 and 2 line print 1 2 3 one line, A B is next line. But in this example 1 2 3 end space next print statement is used, means this 1 2 3 as well as A and B is printed in the same line. Input statement. Input function is used to take input from the user. So in the case of C language, scanf is used. In the case of CPP, C is used as an input statement. In Java, more than one way to getting a value, input stream as well as a reader class. In Python, input function is used as a input statement from the user. Whatever is entered as input, the input function is converted into a string. If an integer value is entered, still input function is converted it into a string. The general form or syntax of input statement is input within bracket prompt. Parameters. Prompt is optional. The string that is returned to the output usually on the screen without new line. Return string object. Python basic user input statement. B equal to input within bracket enter your age. So at the time in the screen we get the string enter your age. We type 32 is a age means B is equal print B means 32 is print. The type of the B is string. Next A equal to input of 3.1.4 means A given as a within quotes 3.1.4. Type is string. So input statement, the number 1 equal to input of enter a number. Number 2 equal to input enter the another number. Print result equal to number 1 plus number 2. At the time we give a value number 5, enter another number 6 means the result is 56. So what is the reason for getting this output means Python is considered as an input statement is taken as string. So 5 is string, another 6 is also considered as a string. So a number 1 plus number 2 means plus is operate as a concatenation operator. The result is 5, 6. Suppose if you want arithmetic value means at the time we convert the string into integer. Since the input got from the keyboard, input function is always interpreted as a string. So this program is changed. So first getting a value, that value is converted into integer format. Next value and that value also considered as a converted into integer value. Then only add, at the time only we get the correct answer. So first number is 5, next number is 6. Now we get the result 11. In this way we can calculate the value. Thank you so much.